Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the current president of India? Draupadi Murmu. Who was the first vice president of India? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who is the current vice president of India? C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who was the first prime minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the current prime minister of India? Narendra Modi. Who was the first home minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the current home minister of India? Amit Shah. Who was the first defense minister of India? Sardar Baldev Singh. Who is the current defense minister of India? Rajnath Singh. Who was the first finance minister of India? John Mathai. Who is the current finance minister of India? Nirmala Sitharaman. Who was the first education minister of India? Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Who is the current education minister of India? Dharmendra Pradhan. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which program given the slogan of Garibi Hatao? Fifth Five-Year Plan. When was the first 5-year plan of India started? 1951. Which state has the largest coastline in India? Gujarat. Which state in India is called the land of 5 rivers? Punjab. What is the shortcut of paste in MS Word? Ctrl+V. Who is the founder of Swaraj Party? Chitranjan Das. The second battle of Panipat was fought in which year? 1556. Who is the brand ambassador of Tata Motors? Vicky Kaushal. Which is the popular dance of Tamil Nadu? Bharatnatyam. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? The 26th of November 1949. Which planet is known as the ice giant? Uranus. What is the largest volcano in the world? Mauna Loa. Who discovered the law of motion? Isaac Newton. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Which country invented pizza? Italy. Which is the largest state of India? Rajasthan. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Aravalli. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Who wrote the National Anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna. Which state is famous for Bihu festival? Assam. Which river is called the sorrow of Bengal? Damodar. What is the meaning of Satyamev Jayate? Truth alone triumphs. Who built the Qutub Minar? Qutub ud Din Aibak. What is the name of Indian Space Agency? ISRO. Which state is famous for its tea gardens? Assam. Who was the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patil. Which state is called the land of rising sun? Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Bengaluru. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Which is the largest state of Northeast India? Arunachal Pradesh. Which state has the largest coastline in India? Gujarat. Which desert is located in India? Thar Desert. Which city is called the City of Lakes? Udaipur. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Comment down your answer and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.